I'm thinking maybe this capacitor is having some issues. Maybe the capacitor is a short circuit inside and it's creating a short circuit. Let me just plug this in. I'm going to short circuit this terminal and the bulb bypass is off, which means the bulb will come on if anything blows up, and that's it. The bulb, the output voltage is showing 1.2 volts. What the heck? Okay, so now the meter terminal has just came out. Let's just short circuit this again. And yes, indeed, that is the problem. The capacitor is having some issues. See, now the bulb is fully turned off. It is not turning. The bulb is not turning on at all. That indicates this is a fully functional power supply right now. The issue is with this capacitor. It's a bad cap right here. It's a bad cap. You bloody idiot. This almost certainly is having a short circuit internally. That is why this bulb, because after rectification the capacitor is just short circuit in the output current, and that creates an easy path for the bulb to actually fully light up. So this capacitor is the bad one, and that is why even with this bulge capacitor, even with this cheap Chinese bulge capacitor, when we short circuited these two terminals, it showed us the full 12 volts right there with the bulb fully turned off. But the moment we switched to this capacitor, wait, what an idiot I am. Let me just check my previous video and I'll be back. What a complete jerk I am, guys. Oh, happened. It's not something bad with this. This is the bad with me. I actually put the capacitor in reverse. I put the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive. If you haven't noticed that on my video, then what the hell did I do? But it was too late for me to realize that. Until it's just now that I watched my previous video clip, and Jesus Christ, this is the way this capacitor has to be placed, and I just kept it this way, the positive connected to the negative. That's the reason why it blown the fuse. Anyway, I'm just going to get a new capacitor. I'm just going to replace this. Oh, I'm feeling so bad.